We have Mr. Vijay Thomas, CEO and founder of Tangentia. So what we know is that when we say talk about scalability, agility, scale can have different meanings for different companies depending on which domain they are. As a solution provider, Mr. Vijay, what do you have to offer for companies as varied as this?
We have a lot of customers that that are large enterprises that are 100 years old kind of companies, even banks. They cannot get away from some things, and this is the reality of today's world. I mean, in spite of cloud, you can't get away from the mainframe. You cannot get away from the large building blocks like SAP. Maybe Dream11 did not have to go through that evolution, and they probably don't need a large ERP system. They don't need a large CAD/CAM system or any of those kind of things, which you get dealt with those because of the industry that you're in, and some of which are probably a little more difficult to take to the cloud. It will at some day, but I think there's so much legacy investment that's in there that it's almost impossible to put that one over a finance person. I think getting there immediately might not be the right thing. You might not be able to get there immediately, and sometimes attempting that is futile. Is to able to try to articulate it, because you've got to get the team along, and making that big bang thing, all of the technology is still not there. If you take marketing, you may take sales, that can probably work standalone in the cloud and can interact if need be with some of the backend applications, which you can have an evolution for when that can also become true cloud. But I think that the interplay of SaaS applications with legacy, you might seem today that you got everything that's cloud, but it's only a matter of time that some of the cloud also gets obsolete. Okay, so because there's new stuff happening. Today you seem like you're the new shiny thing, everything's good. Wait for 6 months, wait for a year, something else comes. Cloud as a concept, we already saw, goes from 1.0 to 2.0 to 3.0. So if you're cloud 2.0, you're already legacy, right? So how do you make that gap now? So I think that's our take on it. Is that it is evolving. There's always ways for you to get better, and I think complacency is definitely not something. Even if you're native cloud, there's always ways for you to look at things and improve. So our thing would be keep looking, and as long as you're making progress in the right direction. So direction is important, speed is also important, but do not despair if you can't get there, but you have to keep moving.